So now, dear students, today we would be doing some new questions of the chapter rational numbers. So question number first here is, what should be added to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 to get 3? Means how much should I add here to get 3? So let's say we are adding their x. Okay, let's say we are adding x to this and we are getting 3 answer. Okay, so now let's say the question is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. This is the question. Let's say here we are adding x and the answer which we are getting, that is 3. Okay. How much should I add to this? Let's say I should add x there to get 3. Okay. Now I have to find out the value of x. So first let me solve it here. Then I will take it to there. Okay. So first let me solve this here by taking the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. What is the LCM? 2, 3 and 5. What is the LCM? I think 30. 30 is the LCM because 30 is divided by 2, 3 and 5. So 30 is the LCM. Now what should I do? I will divide this 30 by each denominator. First I will divide this 30 by 2. How many times going? 15 times. So I will multiply here by 15. Then I divide this 30 by 3. 3 10 ja 30. Multiply here by 10. Then 5 6 ja 30. So multiply here by 6. Now just solve this. 15 1 ja 15 plus 10 1 ja 10, 6 1 ja 6 plus x would be equals to 3. So 15 plus 10 would be equals to 25. 25 plus 6, 31. So 31 by 30 plus x is equals to 3. Now from here, what would be the value of x? 31 by 30. This is having plus sign here, will go there, will become negative. Okay, so plus x will remain here, x will be equals to, so this will go there, will become negative. So it will be 31 by 30. Okay, now take the LCM. How will you take the LCM? Just I can write here 3 by 1. Okay, now LCM of 3 and 30 would be how much? 30. Now what would I do? I would divide this 30 by each denominator. First by 1, 30 is 30. So it means multiply here by 30. Then I divide this by 30. 31 ja 30. So it means I would multiply here by 1. So 33 ja would be equals to 90 minus 31 ja 30. So from here value of x would be equals to 10 minus 1 9 and 8 minus 3 would be equals to 5. 59 by 30. So this would be the answer and it would be the value of x also. So means if I add 59 by 30 to this, so I would be getting how much? 3 as the answer. Are you getting this? Very good. Okay. Now we will move to the next question of today. First you note it down. So next question is, what should be subtracted from what should be subtracted from 2 by 4 minus 2 by 3 to get minus 1 by 6. To get minus 1 by 6. So what should be subtracted from this? Let's say I am subtracting x from this. Okay, let's say I am subtracting x from this, and the answer that I would be getting is equals to minus 1 by 6. Now what should I do? I will solve this here, then I will just take it back there. So what is the LCM of 4 and 3? It would be equals to 12. So divide it by the each denominator. So 4 3 times 12. So multiply upside by 3. Here 3 4 times 12. Here multiply by 4. So it would be equals to 3 2 just 6 minus 4 2 times 8 minus x would be equals to minus 1 by 6. And 6 minus 8 would be equals to, 6 minus 8 is minus 2. You should be knowing this. 6 minus 8 is minus 2 by 12, because smaller minus greater, it will come in negative 1. So minus 2 by 12 minus 2 by 12 minus x would be equals to minus 1 by 6. Now what should I do? Because x is negative here, so x will go there and this will come here. This is negative, so it will come here and become plus. So I should write it like this: minus 2 by 12 This will come here, will become plus 1 by 6. And this minus x will go there, will become plus x. Now what should I do? I will take the LCM of 12 and 6. It is coming out to be 12. So I divide it by each denominator. 12 1 ja 12. So 1 times multiply. 6 2 ja 12. So multiply by 2. So it will be how much? Minus 2 plus 2 would be equals to x. So minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So it implies value of x would be equals to minus 2 plus 2 is 0 by 12. It implies value of x is how much? 0. So this would be the answer. So x is coming out to be 0. So it means how should you subtract from this to get minus 1 by 6? Means 0 you will subtract. You will subtract nothing. Are you getting? So value of x is 0 here. So this would be the answer. Now moving to the next question, just note it down. Some other questions also we are going to do here. Question is, next question, question number 3, today's third question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first part of the question is minus 9 by 14 plus dash is equals to minus 1. Means here I have to fill. Okay. Let's say x is the number here. Okay, let me write x here. So I can solve it in guys. Minus 9 by 14 plus x would be equals to minus 1. It means I have to find out the value of x. What would be the value of x would be written here then. Okay, so just write it, solve it. So x would remain here because it is plus, and this minus 9 by 14 is negative here, will go there and become plus. So x will be equals to minus 1. This would go there and become plus. So 9 by 14. So it would be either you can write it 1 by 1 by taking the LCM, or straight away also you can do, just multiply by 14. 14 1 ja 14 would be equals to minus 14. 14 1 ja 14 minus 14 plus 9 divided by 14. It implies value of x would be equals to minus and plus are going to be subtracted, and sign will be of the greater one with minus 5 by 14. So this would be the answer, minus 5 by 14. So what should I fill here? Minus 5 by 14. It means I would write here minus 5 by 14. This is how you will solve the question, which are related to fill in the blanks. Which are related to fill in the blanks. Okay. Now the next question, second part of the question, which you have to do on your own. Second part of the question is minus 7 by 9 plus dash is equals to 3. So what should you write here? That you do on your own. Write here x, then take it there. You will be getting your answer. Question number 3. Dash plus 15 by 23 is equals to 4. So here write x there, keep x here. This would go there, will become negative. Take LCM and solve it. We will be getting the answer. Okay. So just solve it on your own. Okay. Now we are moving to the next part of the question. Next part of the question, that would be question number 4. Question number 4. Simplify and write in the form of p by q. Simplify and write in the form of p by q. Okay. So let me write the first question here. Question is 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 8. This is the question which you have to solve. Okay. So you are knowing this, how to solve this question. Take the LCM of 4, 6 and 8. It is coming out to be 24. So divide this 24 by each denominator. First by 4, 4 6 are 24, multiply here by 6. 6 4 are 24 means 4 times. 8 3 are 24 means 3 times. Just solve this. 6 3 are 18 plus 5 4 are 20. 7 3 are 21, and plus into minus would be equals to minus. Okay. Just solve this. 18 plus 20 would be equals to 38. minus 21 divided by 24. So how much would be the answer here? 8 minus 1, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 17 by 24 would be the answer. Okay, this is how we will solve the question. Just note it down. And some other questions also I am going to give you here. Write down some other question. Second part of the question. 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 9. Third question. Minus 11 by 2, 7 by 6 plus minus 5 by 8. Fourth one. Minus 4 by 5 plus minus 7 by 10 plus minus 8 by 15. Fifth question. Minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15 minus 13 by 20. 6 minus 7 by 6, 8 by 7 plus minus 9 by 8. Seventh question. Minus 8 by 6, minus 6 by 8, minus 2 by 3. So these are the questions which you have to solve on your own. Okay, just try solving these questions at home, and then we will move to the next section of this chapter, because some more lectures are left of this chapter. It's a lengthy chapter, and okay, just keep doing.